Etiefo Reverend Owusu Bempah edensem bi abetudwa na asem no yebekum na yeyiye ho yebepone ho na trese oni kra Reverend Owusu Bempah wo ka ne ho asem no mama mu ni amu ehu anse ne yebeto aso no subscribe na click notification bell no eno ene da screen so we yan the latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka yenko asem ne so endra etiefo ena Reverend Owusu Bempah he was having one of I think midweek services sorry ena etiefo prophecy time ena trese wo bon nsem bi so na wakan ye o state me categorically nsem nini was the ex-president bi wo Ghana ex-president we dey we sisupi say ex-president bi wo Ghana wo pese wo kum nkrofo bi nya dientia ex-president yi wo pese wo kum eye san nkrofo yi ene se nkrofo yi eye ama ex-president ne ni so ade hunu bia wo pese wo ye no nkrofo yi eye ema se sa ex-president no sa ne ni so ade hunu no embem munti asem ni yo ema wo bo nkrofo a ex-president yi wo plan se wo be den wo be kun wo no na wo wi no ka se asem we a wakan wonim se Ghana for ebedi na tem but nyankopon ena ka tene se wonye den wonka nti wu nim na wo bedi na tem a nyankopon no me ebeba oso hey Reverend Owusu Bempah what a clause madam for be say asofo wo be so mo ka asem no mo be se nkrofo be kasa no mo aheda de fear clause aboho asofo pese wo jiska efri obi ho a no wakata ne se okay sika wo pese wo mano se wo pese nyankopon hirawo double of that money fasa aska ne right the 1 cedi ba obeka se dabi wo pese nyankopon be hirawo 1 pe into wo dey be 10 cedis and 100 cedis na beba because osofo na kan se wo pese nyankopon eyeden hirawo fabra into that's just by the way asofo yes remo Reverend Owusu Bempah sama wo kan wo si wonim se asofo beba ebedi na tem when say Ghana for bebe di na tem na nyankopon na de ade we ahye na no se wonka na mo a mo beba be di na tem no nyankopon ebufu hyew ebeba mo so ama ebededi ma wo bia ehu was the ex-president epese ekum nkrofo bi because ex-president no ni niso ade ehu no ne vision bi a wo pese ebemu a nkrofo we emma sa vision no embemu no na ensem nini Ghana, how many ex-presidents do we have? 3. John Dramani Mahama. Okay, Yabeka said a lot, but 3 na sisia womotiase. And obviously, he is speaking about ex-presidents who are alive. 1, John Dramani Mahama. Now 3 ex-presidents na womotiase womuni na womoya John. As in womuni are from Jones. It's 1 John Dramani Mahama. John Ajekun Kufuor. And Jerry John Rawlings. One more per any the 3 ex-presidents we have, the 3 ex-living presidents we have in Ghana. Now, asama wakan no me pese yedumo suko ni ehu nipa kwa Owusu Bempah wo kasa fa ne ho. Was the ex-president no wo eniso ade hu no bi. Wo pese wo ya ade bi. He has a quest. Now, among these 3 ex-presidents no, who has a quest? Who na wo eniso ade hu no? Who na wasanso pese okay wankasa ebia president no pese wankasa ebia nipa kono sanso pese obe dane president ene dia wanka but say nipa kono ewo ambition bi in 2020 na 2020 yan hwe year enkrofo wei esanse wo mo ye nyama etia president ni ntino president ne pese wo kun omo na at this point I know you have a clue on onikwa Owusu Bempah wo kan ne ho asem but if you still don't have a clue yenkomu mo ni yembo nkrofo a Owusu Bempah eka se wo mo pese wo mo yeden ana sa ex-president pese wo kun omo no na ye kan wi a the relationship of these people and the ex-presidents in Ghana no ebema mu niamu ehu oni kra Reverend Owusu Bempah wo pese wo boni din se wei ena wo pese wo kun nkrofo wei o say 1 first person na womu pese womu kun and first person na ex-president he pese wo kun chairman Wontumi of Ashanti region One, because chairman who to me nyame tia sa ex-president here, ex-president who say, so when you chairman who to me free wa or no ex-president no, and you so idea who now no bim. Now here no, we have 3 ex-presidents in Ghana. We have JJ Rawlings. I don't know. Said Chairman Woon to me the relationship between himself and JJ Rawlings. I don't know. But the young say they don't have a good relationship. It is a Chairman Woon to me. Obe to me I say, okay, JJ Rawlings say, Ebi I want Chairman Woon to me. They don't have a great relationship because JJ Rawlings say NDC ni Chairman Woon to me MPP ni. Inti yes, JJ Rawlings for her. Yes, and so J.A. Kufuor, any Chairman Woon to me. They are all from Ashanti region. They all belong to MPP. It could be say Abia womontem enye, but on the front no, you find they say J.A. Kufuor because he belongs to MPP no. When Chairman Woon to me, womun ntokwa bia. Until J.A. Kufuor is out. Until we have J.J. Rawlings. We are near about John Dramani Mahama. Yen ni mensema Chairman Woon to me waka efa Mahama ene Mahama ne bra ne ho. Obviously, we know say Chairman Woon to me and Mahama, they are not friends. Inti say if Chairman Woon to me, you have 2 people. Jerry John Rawlings and John Dramani Mahama. That's for Chairman Woon to me. Okay, fair enough. Yanko the second person I will also be Paboni Ding. The second person Kennedy e Japan. Kennedy Akompre e Japan. It's here for Monty and Yen. Kennedy Japan any JJ Rawlings. Just say omunteme ngo ana chino mankani ye. Kennedy Japan any JJ Rawlings like Kennedy Japan wakasatia JJ Rawlings. Sometimes to me can't say JJ wo kun nipa we. Into yes, ye can in relation with omwa eye ousu bempa bo mudia ye beka say yes JJ Rawlings ewom. Ye ni say Kennedy Japan any JA Kufuor de ne papa no. Into womuntem enye den basa ye bia eni omuntem nti ono so J.A. Kufuor is out. Ye ni anso ye nim Kennedy Japan ene John Dramani Mahama nsema Kennedy Japan ka fa ne ho. It is still with Kennedy Japan no, you have Rawlings and Mahama. Kufuor is out. Into with these 2 people are also Bompabo Abomudino with the relationship we know outside no ye nim said these 2 people are out. It's here for Yanko the next person. Hey, the next person. Eye was say on wankasa wo wusu bempa. No, before we be born wankasa ni din wusu bempa no. Politician bi wo ho aye friend no Ernest wusu bempa. Enye ono Reverend wusu bempa no. Obi nso wo ho aye friend no Ernest wusu bempa. Wo ye communications director ma Ghana Gas. Na me susu say Ernest wusu bempa no. One no relationship with these 3 ex-presidents no enebema yehu oni kru a wo wusu pempa eka se sa nipa ko na plan se wo pese wo kum eye nkrofo e wo Ghana 2020 no na montie ni ye ene so wusu bempa yi woni JJ Rawlings se JJ Rawlings eye ne papa wo bi ka se ade na wo ka se JJ Rawlings eye ne papa ene so wusu bempa yi senia wo beda na popular ene se woni JJ Rawlings ne yere se na wo ka JJ Rawlings ne yere ni team ho. Na wano ene so usu bempa na de bia wakotena se nanse wakasama MPP. Na so de bia wakotena se kasama MPP a wo chia ne papa JJ Rawlings na wo chia ne maame eye JJ Rawlings na yere. Iti ene so usu bempa de he belongs to the family de bia waka said the Rawlings family is unknown family. Iti usu bempa bo ene so usu bempa din say ene so usu bempa so kan ni nkrofo a sa ex-president he pese wo moye den wo mu kunu because ex-presidency and because and so bempa ye adie bia sa ex-presidency one pe. And so as far as we are concerned and so bempa he's not doing anything na obeka say Rawlings family no wo pe. Inti eba and so bempa Rawlings is out. As far as we know and so bempa won kasentia J.A. Kufuor because also bempa si supi Reverend also bempa si supi se nipa kui nkrofo yi kasa ye nyama bia nipa ko isusu se ebema nani so ade ehunu embem. I don't know whether J.A. Kufuor he still has a political ambition, but obviously him say he doesn't. Into also you're out. The only person and the army ne kasa ene se wusu bempa What Casetiano day in, day out, John Dramani Mahama. And there's also been Pacotina program this one. What Casetia Mahama say, Adena Mahama sounds so person were better than the president. Adena Ma just say, will be better say, what Casetia Mahama, Neniso Adia Huno. It's based on the relationship we know between Enesu Bempa and the Mahama. No, Obetumiaka say, when you call Reverend Osu Bempa, I can't one say no, John Dramani Mahama, based on inference. Na Enesu Bempa Kasaya Machesa, what Casetia Mahama, and the Mahama Ninia, Amananseya, Mahama Ninia, Ibrahim Mahama, at the Enesu Bempa Echo Court, and my court share say Enesu Bempa won't cheer 300,000 Ghana cedis for defamation. So what say Mahama and the Mahama Ninia Nidin. Inti, there is that thing there. Prove what a trese debia and the Susu Empire. He belongs to the Rollins family. We know the debia waka say we know the he belongs to the Rollins family. Still walk kasa etia Mahama. Inti si ye kasa ensema wo Usu Bempa king. Ye ne take by taker. Ubehu ne said the person Usu Bempa is speaking against. Say nipa kui ex-president pese wo kum nkrofo 2020. Obviously, Usu Bempa mbo nipa kuni din, but based on the analysis amaye no, a trail say John Dramani Mahama. The final person onu Usu Bempa ne said this president wants to kill. Wonu ankasa Reverend Usu Bempa. Because onu Reverend Usu Bempa ne kan say bia president ni hu ne say etia ono president no the political ambition and the ambition initially huna edan ni niso say next year will be no. Now it is not surprising say a day after and 2 days after Reverend Osu Bempa ko shia Mahama e wa sorry dem a ye nia ye hu die si ye no. Osu Bempa is coming out with this story. Now a lot of people are actually bashing Osu Bempa on this particular one. So far, me reading a lot of comments on social media. I've not even seen a single positive comment. There will be a can say Osu Bempa way dear. But mind you, say what the fear clause now boho. Say who ni now can say tiana. It's for one tremor me that say.